sensibility and practicality define the 2008 Ford Fusion. This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides exceptional value. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include front fog lights, a tachometer, an outside temperature display, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and power windows. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Call now to schedule a test drive.